Hello and welcome. This is Mudassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about line command and polyline command in AutoCAD. So if you want to activate line command, all you need to do is you will go into the home tab. From here you can see one option as line, or you can use as command. Okay, when I will just press this one, you can see here at bottom in command line it is asking about line specify first point. So first point mean you can just click anywhere in the screen, it will be the first point of the line. So I will click here. Now line is going to start, as you can see. Now you can see here at bottom it is giving the option like specify next point. So what will be the next point of this line? It could be any point from here in screen. Here I will just select this one, for example here, and then again here it is asking again specify next point. Okay, whenever you want to come out of command, okay, all you need to do is you will press escape. The command will be deactivated. I will press escape. Now command is deactivated, and now line is draw here, this line and this line. Okay, so this was the option here in line. Now again, if you want to use command line, the shortcut key for line command is L. So you will just press L and will hit enter. Now command is activated. Now it is asking about specify first point. So I will just give it as a first point here. Now it is asking again about the next point. So I will give the next point here, next point here, next point here, next point here, next point here. So this is the method that how we can draw the line in AutoCAD. Now if you want to make a straight line, all you need to do is you have to activate the Ortho Mode. So Ortho Mode will help you to keep the line straight. So to activate the Ortho Mode, all you need to do is you will go here in toggle button, and here is the option for Ortho Mode, or you can press F8 from keyboard. For example, I will activate the command from here, line command, and I will start from here. Now the line is going to move freely. And when I will just activate the Ortho Mode from here, I can press in the F8 shortcut key from keyboard. So now line is not going to move freely. Now it is moving in 0 degree, in 90 degree, in 180 degree, and in 270 degree. So if you want to make straight line, all you need to do is you have to activate the Ortho Mode from keyboard. The shortcut is F8, and or you can use this toggle button as to activate the Ortho Mode. Now the next thing is how we can delete the object. If you want to delete the object, you will just select that one, and you can just right click, and from here you can erase this one. Okay, or another option is you will just select this one and hit delete from keyboard. This will also delete. And another option is command. So for deleting, the command is erase. Okay, E, and then we will press enter. Okay, then we will select the object, and then we will press enter again. Remember, you can use space bar as a enter in AutoCAD. Okay, now the next command here is polyline. So what is the difference between line and polyline? For example, I am activating here the polyline command, or you can use shortcut as PL. For example, here you can see specify start point, or I will just activate the polyline command from command line PL enter. Then this command is activated. Polyline specify start point. I will give the start point here, then next point, next point, next point, next point. Okay, then I will come out of the command with escape key. So I will press escape from keyboard. Now command is deactivated. But if you are going to select this line, it all will be selected. In line case, object or things are going to select one by one. For example, this one, and this one. Okay, but in polyline case it is going to select all. Now if I am going to select this polyline, it is going to select all. Its mean polyline is a join line. If you are giving 2 point, 3 point, or 4 point, that will one line. Okay, but in line case it will be separate here, you can see. Okay, if you want to just convert this polyline into line, you can use one command as explode. What? Explode. The shortcut for explode is expl. Okay, this is the explode command. So I will just select this one. Now command is activated. As you can see, the mouse crosshair is changed into rectangle. So now I will select this one, and I will right click Now this polyline is converted into line, as you can see here. And if you want to convert line into polyline, you can use join command. For join, you can just press J from keyboard, that is the command for join, and you will press enter. You will select all of the lines that you want to join, okay, and then you will press right click. Now this line is converted into polyline. So that is the method to convert line into polyline and polyline into line. So I hope you understand that how we can draw the line, how we can draw the polyline, how we can delete the object, or how we can convert line into polyline or polyline into line, or how we can use ortho mode, how we can draw straight line. So I hope you understand this. I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.